Welcome to the Quick Fix Time. In today's video, we'll be diving into speed reading tricks to help you read faster and retain more information. Whether you're trying to get through textbooks, articles, or novels quickly, these hacks will boost your reading speed in no time. Let's get started with the first trick. Number 1. Preview the material. Before you start reading, skim through the headings, subheadings, and highlighted points in the material. This will give you an idea of what to expect and prepare your brain to focus on the important concepts. Doing this will increase your reading efficiency by helping you focus on key details rather than getting bogged down by less important information. Number 2. Use a pointer or finger. Using your finger or a pen as a pointer while reading helps guide your eyes and prevents them from wandering. This simple trick can improve your reading speed by 10 to 20% because your eyes follow the motion, which makes it easier to focus and stay on track. Number 3. Eliminate subvocalization. Subvocalization is when you read aloud in your head, and it slows down your reading speed. Try to avoid it by training your mind to visualize the information instead of hearing it in your head. This will allow your brain to process the text faster and more efficiently. Number 4. Focus on groups of words. Instead of reading word by word, try reading groups of words at once. By expanding your focus to phrases or sentences rather than individual words, your brain can process more information at once. This technique is known as chunking and can drastically increase your reading speed. Number 5. Practice speed drills. Speed drills are simple exercises that can help improve your reading speed over time. For instance, set a timer and challenge yourself to read a page faster than you did the previous time. The more you practice, the faster you'll get. Number 6. Improve your vocabulary. The more words you know, the less time you'll spend trying to understand unfamiliar terms. Expanding your vocabulary through regular reading can improve your speed, as you won't need to pause to look up the meanings of words as often. Number 7. Use apps or tools. There are numerous apps and online tools designed to help improve reading speed. These apps present text in a way that encourages faster reading, like flashing words at a rapid pace to train your eyes to read faster. Number 8. Avoid rereading. One of the biggest speed bumps in reading is the habit of rereading sentences or paragraphs. Try to resist the urge to go back to previous text. Trust yourself and your ability to understand the material on the first read through. Number 9. Adjust your environment. A quiet, comfortable environment can make a big difference in your ability to focus and read quickly. Minimize distractions such as your phone or noisy surroundings to ensure that you can give your full attention to reading. Number 10. Stay consistent. Like any skill, speed reading requires consistent practice. Set aside a specific amount of time each day to practice your speed reading techniques. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in how fast you can read and comprehend the material. Thanks for watching. If you found these speed reading tricks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more quick fixes and tips. Happy reading!